What's up guys, it's Squizzle. Today I'm going to do a video about this Brinks luggage lock. It's TSA approved, number 007 XFG. It's got the Brinks logos right there. Here's the key bitting, or the key. It is, I think, a 4-pin. So the key works and the lock works. You can use either jigglers or you can use standard picks too. There's two picks that work really well. One is, or two jigglers that work really well. Here's the first one, and I'll show you. Just kind of put it in and kind of whatever works. It's not wanting to work for me now. There it is. And the second one, actually, this one, this one seems to work pretty well too. There it is. That one seemed to work better. It is a bit rusty, but I got this from a friend that recently got into lockpicking, so he just hasn't came and claimed it yet. You can also pick it really easily. Maybe. There it is. I'm guessing that it's so easy to pick because the pins don't have to travel as far because they're smaller. So basically just running the pick through it and then moving it just a little bit usually sets them. So thanks for watching guys. Don't do anything illegal and have fun.